Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to track spending trends with Digit. Tracking your spending habits is a key part of staying on budgets and identifying areas where you can save more. Digit provides tools to help you monitor your spending trends over time. Let me show you how to access them. So first thing you want to do is to open the Digit app, log into your Digit account through the app or web dashboard. Next, go to the Insights or Spending section. Now from the home screen, you want to look for a tab labeled Insights or Spendings, or it could be Trends. This section varies slightly depending, of course, on the version of the app that you're using. Next, view spending breakdown. Digit automatically categorize your spendings into areas such as groceries, dinings, bills, subscriptions, and more. Tap on each category to see how much you've spent in the current month or over a custom time range. Next, analyze trends over time. You can use filters to adjust the time range. You can set it to weekly, monthly, or custom, and observe how your spending has changed throughout that period. This helps you to spot habits like overspending on eating out or subscriptions that you no longer use. Next, set adjustments if needed. Based on what you see, you want to consider modifying your savings goals or budget. You can even pause certain goals temporarily or increase savings to compensate for overspending. Next, use alerts and recommendation. Digit may offer insights or tips to help reduce unnecessary spendings. Enable alerts if you'd like to receive suggestions when your spending in a certain category spikes. By regularly reviewing your spending trends, you gain better control over your finances and can make smarter decisions that align with your long-term saving goals. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next one.